Hello, I'm Lance Zimmerman with the CattleFax Closing Bell, brought to you by Zoetis. The USDA Choice and Select cutouts each set new daily highs this week, carried by the strength of end meats. During the course of the week, end meat cuts such as inside rounds, knuckles, and outside rounds reached new daily highs. On more than one occasion, choice end meats traded at a discount to select counterparts. The USDA cutout is certainly in unfamiliar territory. The cutout is typically near its summer lows by early August. This year, it's setting new all-time highs coming into the month, and the strength of the end meat cuts is at least part of the story. The choice cutout is currently $58 per hundredweight higher than last year at this same time. End meat cuts account for 54% of that year-over-year increase, while middle meats are responsible for 35%. Since mid-March, many of the round cuts mentioned earlier have traded at a discount to lean beef trimmings. This has allowed ground beef processors to purchase those items as trim substitutes rather than source product from the non-fed slaughter mix. Cow and bull slaughter is down 12% year-to-date. Many of the end meat cuts have benefited from the exceptionally tight domestic lean trim supplies. The price relationship between those cuts and 90% lean trimmings has narrowed in recent weeks as the trim supply increased through additional imports. Expect additional supplies to pressure trim values as cow slaughter increases seasonally into the fall. As interest in end meats from domestic ground beef processors fades, export interest for end meats could remain strong. CattleFax forecasts suggest exports as a percentage of total production could reach a record high of 11% for the year. Seasonally, that measurement peaks in late summer and fall, just as interest in end meats increases in the United States. Stronger global demand for U.S. beef, along with smaller cow slaughter numbers due to expansion, will likely shift more attention to end meats over the next few years. Fed cattle values were around $2 lower this week. Live basis sales in the South were collected from $162 to $163 per hundredweight, while trade in the North was from $163 to $164 live and $255 to $258 dressed. Feeder cattle prices were $2 to $5 stronger. Calf values advanced $3 to $8 per hundredweight. Slaughter cows traded steady to $4 higher. Pasture conditions in many parts of the country remain good, slowing movement off of grass. Box beef prices ended the week $7 to $8 higher as end cuts, trimmings, and grinds offset middle meat losses. Corn prices weakened as weather during pollination continues to suggest record high yields this fall. Thanks for watching, and remember to visit CattleFax.com to become a member and receive the latest market news and analysis.
The beef business has never been for the faint of heart. The pressures are real, the risks are high, but the opportunities have never been greater. So how do you sort through it all to decide which way to go? For more than 40 years, CattleFax has led the way. Become a member at www.cattlefax.com. We're the time-proven leader in research, analysis, and information, equipped with the industry's most powerful database. Our team is impartial, objective, our vision is global, and our focus is you. CattleFax, the deciding factor.